If you're a business owner buying vehicles under your personal name, you're doing it all wrong because you're raising your DTI and missing out on tax write-offs. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a vehicle in your business name with no personal guarantee from 5 different lenders, such as Ally, Toyota, Ford Credit, GM Financial, even how to get 4 auto loans with a single inquiry from Bank of America. And I'll tell you what docs they actually care about, what to say at the dealership, and how to avoid all those rookie mistakes. If you're new to the channel, Credit with Colin, this is where we talk about how to leverage credit and get maximum funding. I'm an 8-year Marine Corps veteran, and I own a funding company that's funded over $90 million. If you want help with business funding or credit repair, links are in the pinned comment and description. Let's get into it. So you got to build a foundation before you apply anywhere. This is what you're going to want to have ready. LLC, get that from busy.com in 5 minutes. EIN, get it from irs.gov. And 3 business trade lines. I like NAV, NAV Prime, and eCredible. Now here's how each lender works. With Ally, they offer no doc and low doc. That's why they're so popular. It's actually built for the business auto deals. But here's the key. You're usually going to go through the dealership, not directly to Ally. Step by step, you're going to want to find a dealership that works with Ally. Click Find a Dealer and use Ally's business auto dealer flow. Then pick a participating dealer. You're going to call that dealer and ask for the finance manager, not the salesperson, the finance manager, and clearly say, I'm looking to finance a vehicle in the business name. What are my options for business name financing through Ally? Now, there's typically 2 paths to do this. There's the third-party guarantee, right? And this is where you guarantee, but the business is on the contract/title. Ally notes this. It's designed to keep it off of your personal credit. Then there's the business name only. This is for qualified customers, usually with at least 3 to 5 business trade lines and a couple months in business. Bring your docs like the LLC and EIN and be ready to apply, maybe even with 3 months bank statement. Now, a common mistake is just letting the dealer run it personally because it's easier for them to do. Don't do this. You have to own and steer the process. Next up is going to be Toyota Financial. They have their business solution department. They literally offer competitive APRs, terms up to 84 months, and it can include eligible Toyota vehicles and even some non-Toyota vehicles, depending on the program you choose. So you're going to want to call into the Toyota dealership and ask to speak to the finance manager or ask for the Toyota Financial Business Solutions financing. Fill out the Toyota Financial Business Credit application. This is the business purchase/lease application Toyota uses. Bring the same docs, articles, EIN, maybe even some bank statements, and ask the finance desk what approvals are available in the business name and do you need a guarantor for my business profile. Toyota programs vary by dealer and state, so the finance manager will route you correctly. But your job is to force the conversation into business financing, no PG. Same thing with Ally. Next is Ford Credit. They offer a full commercial financing stack. They have commercial installment financing, commercial leases, and a commercial line of credit, a CLOC, if you're building a fleet. Now that's a little bit more advanced, but here's the step-by-step CLOC route. You're going to go to Ford commercial line of credit page and click apply now and have this ready, right? They're going to want authorized signatures, 3 years and financial statements, company details and your EIN, the fleet info, expansion plans, and billing details. Now, again, this is to build a fleet, guys. If you just want to get a singular vehicle, call the Ford dealership, ask to speak to the finance manager, and let them know you want to finance that vehicle in the business name only. And if you have at least 3 to 5 trade lines, they can typically get you approved with no personal guarantee. Financial is going to be more advanced. It's going to be about building a fleet. Again, it's going to be full financials. This for experienced people doing rental car business and things like that. They even have lines starting at $250,000 for their CLOC. Now, if you need at least $250K because you're trying to build and expand your fleet, this is going to be the option you're going to want to work with. And you're going to start on the GM financial fleet line and credit page and request line and talk to an expert. Complete the line of credit application packet, and GM has a lock application PDF that includes all the required items and signatures, things like that. Now, finally, let's talk about the 4 auto loans from Bank of America. You're going to want to open a brand new Bank of America business account. You need a 720 plus personal experience score for this to work. It's generally a stated income, no doc program. You apply through the bank's commercial auto loan portal. Stated income just has to show that you could afford the payment. Now, once approved, you can apply up to 3 more auto loans with the same inquiry over the next 90 days. Now, if you want the fastest outcome, here's the real order. If you have a newer business, stick with Ally, Ford Motor Credit, and Bank of America, and just calling in, speaking with the finance manager, and applying with no docs. Now, if you want to build a fleet, if you're advanced, you're going to consider working with the CLOCs from GM Financial or even working with the Ford line of credit as well. Again, all you're going to need is to form your LLC, get your articles, get your EIN letter, and build 3 to 5 business trade lines like NAV, NAV Prime, and eCredible. That's enough to get you good business credit scores on your Paydex and on your Experian business. And from there, you can search the Ally website, partner up with a dealer, speak to the finance manager, and ask to apply for a no PG business vehicle. As always, guys, show your boys some love. Don't be a mouth breather, and be sure to like and subscribe. Links for help with credit repair or max business funding are in the pinned comment and the description. It's Credit with Colin, and I'll see you on the next one. Deuces!